looks good. And the back looks good. Let's see now. If I were warmed up, I could do this a lot faster.
That's why we're doing a whole bundle.
I know. I did. If I'd done 10 of these, I'd be zipping through them.
It's better that you're showing this, though.
Yeah. I'd be zipping through them like grease lightning. I'm off just a tiny bit there, but I'll be okay. It's okay. Very good. So, no crinkles anywhere. And a nice smooth seam. That would just press out perfect. You always have to take more time to line it up, you know, where you start. That's really where you have to spend all your time. You know, the other thing is I don't have my tweezers. Yeah, we'll just try to put those two together if we can. Anyway, yeah, this is great. Yeah, I love these things. They're so awesome. You know, Jamie, these were not cut out right because...
They're not matching up.
Nope.
I think I should stop.
No, it's okay. It's just,
I mean, really, we're trying to show handling.
Yeah.
They should match up all the way, but your hand, what you're doing is good.
right. So, that one is, well, that one came right out. This is good. Got a nice even seam allowance.
Gonna show your notches?
I'm not even looking at the notches, but yeah, they're there. That one, that would pass inspection.
Oh,
That
yeah,
would
they're
press.
just like tiny little.
Yeah, but I mean on this material, but not necessarily on everything. But yeah, let's see now. I'm actually lining up the bottom piece with that seam line right there. Again, then I'm push.
So you're basically using your tweezers instead of your fingers.
Mm-hmm. And that wool fabric we're doing, that we're working with, is just, it's just a, you know, it's to sew in the sleeves. The people that sewed in the last sleeves on the wool, they were in love.
You know, it's lovely to work with.
You know, it just, you know, it wants to be sewn, and it wants to be, it's sleeve caps, no problem. It's just happy. This is where I'm running into trouble, so it's like, that's why I think pattern makers should sew, you know, should sew up a mock-up or two. So this right here, I'm having an issue every single time in the very same place. So I would go back and look at the pattern and say, you know, can that be evened out a little bit? What's going on? Do I, you know, how critical is that? Do I want to smooth out that curve a little? Because it's always right here. It's in the very same place each time. So anyway, so that all looks good. That looks good. And again, that all looks good. Do one more. Can you see kind of where I'm pivoting? Is that obvious?
A little bit.
It's where, it's like I sew right to, you see right where it starts to diverge? I will sew to right to that point, right here, and then I'll pivot again. Because I got a straight shot until there, see? So now I'm gonna rearrange, see? And then I got a straight shot to right here, see? So that's what I'm gonna do, sew to there. And then I'm gonna do it again, see? And again, I'm just worrying about my sewing line, not the outside edge, really. I want the sewing line to be smooth. See right here, it's coming off right here. So I'm gonna sew right to there, basically. And then I'm gonna come around and see, move that again. Should do a demonstration showing them just to sew with the left hand, huh?
You could do
That's
that
another one.
next.
Yeah, I could do this total. I can totally do this whole sleeve left-handed. See?
Just showing off now.
No, it's not that hard. I think it's a great practice exercise for people to do. You know? So, because then they don't use their left hand enough.
And you get the dexterity in your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Don't use that right hand.
Mm-hmm. And there you go. All right. Nice, even. No puckers there. Even though I sewed the last half of it with my left hand. Cool. Good.